welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. If you're new here, my name is Nicola and I make lifestyle videos, and I hope everyone is feeling well and healthy at the moment. I know there's a lot of flu and colds and nasty bugs going around, which is why I thought I would film this video today. It's a bit different for me. I don't often do, I do sort of what I eat in a day and things like that occasionally, but I haven't done many type recipe or foodie videos. So I thought I would do this today because I'm aware that lots of people are feeling pretty ropey around this time of year. And I thought I would share a few recipes for like healthy, immunity boosting juices for you to try, and things that can help if you feel like a cold is coming on, or you're full of cold, or you just want to avoid getting one altogether. So I have very kindly been sent this rather fancy gadget here, which is the AMZ or Amzchef juicer. And if you're new here, you should know that I don't very often accept gifts on this channel. I find it quite stressful doing sponsored content, and also I'd only really show you things if it's something that I would want or would want to use. And the reason I accepted this one is because for this reason, I thought this is a great time of year to start trying to fuel my body better. I do quite a lot of workouts each week, and I do find I get very tired, and I don't recover well, and I know I need to have better fuel in my body. I do not eat fruit. I have one banana a day and that is about it. My daughter Phoebe doesn't eat any fruit at all. She will have a glass of orange juice in the morning, but she does like juice, but she only likes like liquid juice. She doesn't like smoothies and things like that, and this obviously creates a liquid juice. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to try a juicer and see if we can get some better fuel into our bodies, especially over the winter time when bugs and flus and all sorts are rife. So the juicer is, as you can see, quite sleek and small. It doesn't take up a lot of room on our surface. It comes with two little jugs, one for your juice and one for the pulp. It comes apart, can be washed very easily, rinsed. It doesn't go in the dishwasher, but it has three sections. The main jug section with the filter on it. It has the base section with the juicer in it, which I think is called the auger, which fits in. It's got a stainless steel center, and then it's a hard plastic around the outside. It is very sturdy, and it also has suction cups on the bottom to keep it sturdy on your side. It can be quite tricky to close. It took me a while to work out how to close it, but you need to have the jug open in order to close to lock it closed, and then you can close the lid afterwards. It also comes with this to push down your stuff. There's a hole in the top so you can push your things down if they're not juicing well, and a little brush for cleaning as well. So I thought we'd give it a go and try out some different juices. I have done some research, ask ChatGPT, on some really good immunity boosting juices. So I've got three to try today. The first one is called the Daily Immunity Glow, and this one is for like a gentle, drinkable, everyday type juice. Obviously some things, you know, you don't want to be putting into your system every day. For example, the second one, which is a cold fighter shot, that has like lemon and ginger and turmeric in it. And that's great if you feel like a cold coming on. You could take a shot of this for 2 to 3 days, and that will help you keep that cold at bay. It's quite strong, but apparently very effective. And then there's a green immune support drink, which again you could have every day, and it's very hydrating and good if you're exercising regularly, which I do, so it's something that probably I should try. Generally, if you're the sort of person I am where when you eat something you get a boost and then you get a crash later, probably because I have far too much sugar in my diet, then you should avoid like very high fruit juices and include more veg as a base. So some of these have cucumber and carrots and things like that in. And you should always drink it with a meal. I think also, I mean, I'm no dentist, but to protect your teeth, it's advisable to drink a juice with a meal or straight away in one go, rather than sipping it throughout the day. So that's my advice from Dr. Nicola. So I've prepared my bits already. I've been watching some other videos of people using different juices, and the general advice is to cut your veg and your fruit up first rather than just putting it in whole. I know there are some mixers and blenders that can take whole, but obviously this one separates your pulp and your juice, so generally better to put things in chunks, in smaller chunks. Also peel your items first unless you particularly want the peel, but for example like oranges and lemons and things like that, you want to take the peel off because it can be quite bitter. I think you can include some lemon zest because that can be quite good if you use like an organic lemon. You could include some lemon zest in your recipes, but generally peel things if you want them to be less bitter. So I'm going to start with the Daily Immunity Glow. I have my little bowl of ingredients here. In here is 2 carrots, 1 orange peeled, half a lemon, 1 inch of ginger, and a small handful of spinach. So all really good immunity boosting ingredients with antioxidants and things like that in them. So I'm going to give this a go. I have obviously washed my juicer first, and also on the button there is an on and off, obviously, so on off, and there's also a reverse. So if you get stuff stuck and you need to turn things around the other way, you can reverse it, but it always suggests that you let it go to a full stop before you reverse it, and obviously because it can take a while to slow down. So let's give this a go and see how we get on. Okay, I've washed everything. I've just given it a quick rinse, and that's pretty much all it needs if you're going to use it regularly, obviously. But if you could obviously put it in some warm soapy water, but obviously because I'm using it again, I've just rinsed it over, but it's come out nice and clean, very easy to clean. So next up is the cold fighter shot. So this is something obviously you can just take 2 to 3 days when you've got a cold. So what I'm going to do is make up like a batch of this stuff, and then get little shot bottles. You can buy them on Amazon, and just like the little ginger shots you buy in the shop, and then you can probably freeze them. Actually, I think you can probably freeze them or certainly refrigerate them, and make a whole batch so that when you've got a cold coming, you know you've got something ready, or throughout cold season. And these have 1 apple, half a lemon, 1 to 2 inches of ginger, so a little bit more, half an inch of turmeric. Now I haven't got fresh turmeric, but I'm just going to use ground turmeric, and a tiny clove of garlic. And I have a very tiny clove of garlic because I don't keep fresh garlic very often. We get it in our Gusto box, and I happen to have a spare. So that was handy. So yeah, I'm going to make this one now, and see how that one turns out. So that was much quicker and just made a very small amount. Obviously you just triple, quadruple the recipe if you want to make a batch. It smells absolutely divine. I'm not sure how good it will taste. I think it's going to be quite a shock shot, if you like, but very good for you nonetheless. So I'm going to put that again in the fridge in a little pot, let it go cold, and then we'll make the last juice. Right, 2 minutes later, I have washed everything and we're back ready to make the next one, which is the green immune support. So this one has in it 2 celery sticks. I had the pre-cut one, so I put 3 in because they're a bit shorter. A green apple, a handful of parsley, half a cucumber, half a lemon, and then ginger to taste. And I just put a little tiny bit of ginger in because that's what I had left over. So yeah, let's see how this one goes. And then finally, my last one. This one is very green. So I'm going to put this one again in the fridge to chill for a little bit, and then I'll clean this up, put it all away, and then we will do a little taste test of the 3 juices that I made. Okay, so I've got my 3 drinks here. I just thought I'd show you the pulp that came out. That's the amount of pulp that came out of the juicer. There was literally nothing left inside. So I think definitely the key is to cut things up small to give the juicer the opportunity to really go for it, because basically that was what was left. Obviously you can put that on your compost heap if you've got one. You could stick it in your food bin, or if you've got animals, you could probably feed it to them. I wouldn't suggest dogs, I mean things like pigs. We used to have pigs and they would have devoured this, but obviously depends what's in it. Right, so these are the juices. I'm going to taste them. I'm not necessarily expecting them to taste amazing, but they might do, you never know. So this one is the Daily Immunity Glow. I would say colour-wise this is the least appetising, but this is the one that you could have every day and that generally helps with your immunity. So let's have a taste. That's not bad at all. I can definitely taste the carrot in it. The lemon is good to give it a bit of a kick, but yeah, not unpleasant. I didn't think it looked nice, but actually it tastes pretty good. So the next one was the ginger shot. I'm just going to literally have a tiny little sip of this. I'm not going to shot it, but I'll taste it and see what it's like. Wow. Yeah, that'll clear your airways, definitely. That's not unpleasant though. The lemon gives it a nice taste. You can obviously taste the ginger, and it smells gorgeous. Yeah, I think that would feel like it was doing some good if I took that as a shot, if I had felt I had a cold coming. And then this one is the Green Immune Support. So again, something you could take daily and is really good for hydration if you are exercising regularly. Yeah, that's not bad. I'd say that's the least tasty of the 3 actually. I can really taste the cucumber in that. Strong, but I can see why it would be hydrating. But yeah, not unpleasant, but probably the least tasty. But I think I don't think there was any lemon. Was there lemon in that one? Oh yeah, there was a bit of lemon. But celery, the parsley, I can really taste the parsley as well in that. So yeah, really nice. I'm really excited to be trying these and making some batches of these that we can have on a daily basis. Obviously you can make loads of different ones. I use ChatGPT to get my recipes. You could look up child-friendly recipes, use strawberries and grapes and things if your child is a fussy eater like mine, who don't like eating fruit necessarily. Then you could get it into a juice and get some vitamins and things into them that way. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Amzchef for sending me the juicer. We will 100% get a lot of use out of that. And I hope you found these recipes useful. I will leave all of the details below. I'll leave the link to the juicer as well if you want to have a look at it, and the details of all the recipes that I did as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye. Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now
Somehow I'll give you my attention.